Hello guys, welcome to my Supreme Affiliate Marketing review. Before I start reviewing Supreme Affiliate Marketing, uh, please I want you to subscribe, click the red subscribe button, click the notification bell, and click on also that you'll be notified whenever I do a review video on all these products and tell you the real value and factors of these products and tell you which ones are scam and which one you should go for. So let me just dive in. I don't want to waste your time. Let me just dive into this Supreme Affiliate Marketing uh, products. So you can come here and watch this
Discover
video.
how to earn a living online marketing the best products and services of other people. Now yours, step-by-step method go from an affiliate newbie to rockstar in less time you imagined. Dear friend, if you've ever wanted to create an income.
So you can click the first link in the description box below to complete this video. When you complete this video, you get more insight or more insights about this Supreme Affiliate Marketing course. So Supreme Affiliate Marketing, let me just explain it to you. It's just a course that will teach you affiliate marketing step by step. How you can start from just a beginner's affiliate marketing course that you can start right now. If you take the course, it will enable you to start making good money about affiliate marketing. It will tell you the secrets behind making money on affiliate marketing. So let me just walk you through what you get in this course. Introduction to affiliate marketing. So you are taken by the hand into the important facts you need to know about affiliate marketing. Discover the basic ideas of how you make money from it and how it could give a steady stream of income when done right. So affiliate marketing can give you a steady income when done right. So I'm I'm also an affiliate marketer, so I know this works. I know affiliate marketing. I know many people like John Christone and all the big boys in affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing really works. It can make you um, to have a very good stream income online. So let me just go forward. How to find the right affiliate offers for you using three primary network: JVZoo, Warrior Plus. This W Plus means Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So for me, this ClickBank does not work for me because it's not allowed in my country. So you can use JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and or you can also use Digistore because I also use Digistore. So you can only be successful with affiliate marketing if you know how to choose the right offers to promote. This is very true. This is very true. You can If you choose wrong offers, you can never you can I don't have to say it, but it's rare for you to make commission in affiliate marketing. In this module, you learn in this module you learn how to find the right offers for you, selecting from three different networks, all powerful and free to join. As these are JVZoo, Waterplot, and Clipper are powerful and also free to join. Supreme list Supreme list building strategy. So the money is in the list, which is true. Money is the list means the email list. So and that remains true with affiliate marketing. So in this course, you learn about powerful list building strategies that did get you subscribers on this on the steady frequency. You will learn about the best kinds of subscribers to get. They teach you about the best kind of subscribers to get and where to get them, and also tell you where to get them. You get these and more inside the course. So they teach you, they are just briefing you about what some of the things you get inside the course. So if you get inside the course, they will then give you everything. So if you want to make money online, you need You need the eyeball to your offer and that is where traffic comes in. So you need an eyeball to come to your offer, like traffic, people visiting your affiliate link and all that. Supreme affiliate marketing teaches you traffic sources that matters. So they will teach you the traffic sources that matters, that will send bias traffic, that the people that will buy traffic to your offers, your affiliate link and all that. Meaning this that meaning that meaning this that actually meaning those that actually convert into sales, because not all affiliates, not all traffic sources are created equally. And I just wanted to focus on the ones that will make you money. So in this course, we will teach you the affiliate traffic source that will make you money. So these are the things that you need to get started with affiliate marketing. I highly recommend this for beginners that want to start making money with affiliate marketing. This course will really help you out and boost you and teach you everything, because this guy is an affiliate marketer. He's an affiliate marketer. Look at his name here. He's an affiliate marketer, so he really knows what works. So this is the regular price is $49.95, but if you get it now, you can get it for just point uh, $17.95. So approximately, let me just call it $18. So you are also going to get my bonus. Uh, how to the affiliate marketing blueprint. How to get rich selling other people product. So if you buy this product, use the first link in the description box below. You will get this ebook for free of charge. This ebook will teach you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you can succeed with it. So I'm also giving you this multimedia mastering ebook. This how to send traffic from social media to your affiliate links or to any links on whatever that you want to send it to. So I've come at the end of this Supreme Affiliate Marketing review. So if you are a beginner, I recommend this for beginners that want to learn everything and start making money and start graduating with affiliate marketing. So bye for now. Please subscribe, like the video if you think this is helpful, and also please comment any question that you have or anything that you think that I left out. Ask me any question in the comment section below, and I will be there to answer you. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next review video. Please subscribe and turn off the bell notification bell. Like the video. Bye for now.